This is a short video showing how to place an order using your recent orders on MedBIS. First, log into your account. Go to My Mediq, scroll to My Recent Orders, and select the order number of the order you would like to place again. Check the order details to confirm the correct products and quantities, then scroll to the bottom of the page and hit Repeat this order. And OK. This will redirect you to your basket where you can either update the quantities, complete your order, or leave the basket to find more products to purchase as required. Thank you for using MedBIS.